Hey guys, and welcome to my first episode of Dueling DIY Guest Bedroom Gauntlet. I have decided to challenge Charlotte from @Charlotte's House because one, she's been my friend for a really long time, and two, because I think that her design talent really lends itself, not to mention her mouth, to a challenge like this. I have never done video for a challenge like this before. You guys have probably seen my Dueling DIY series already for the staircase and my kitchen against different bloggers on uglyducklinghouse.com. This will be the first time that I'm adding video, so that's going to be a new thing in this whole series. Behind me right now is obviously the unfinished space, my guest bedroom, and you can see a lot of the challenges already sitting here. One, I've got a giant, big-ass TV that I don't know what to do with, and unfortunately, I can't get rid of it. It's going to be a lot of mix of old stuff, some vintage. There's going to be a little bit of a masculine feel for the room as well. There's going to be new paint, new decor, new bedding. There's going to be a great new build project in my Murphy bed, and I'm going to show you just a brief tour of this room as it looks right now because I've already done a quick tour for you guys, but it's since been updated with other items that I'm going to have to find a way to fit into this room. I'm also going to introduce you to my friend Charlotte from @Charlotte's House so that you can see her and the room that she's about to redo. I'm just going to tell you right now, Charlotte's going to lose, and I mean, she's going to lose bad. I mean, sorry Charlotte, I'm just going to tell you right now, I'm a two-time champ already, and you're going to lose. So in order to follow along on the series, you're going to need to do three things. One, you're going to need to subscribe to my blog so that you can get the post updates, because that's going to include a lot of extra information, total SmackDown updates, as well as progress. Every other Wednesday is when we're going to post. Two, you're going to want to subscribe to my monthly vlog updates on my YouTube channel, and that's going to be here. So hopefully there's going to be a button somewhere around on this screen soon, and you can see that. And three, subscribe to Charlotte's video updates as well on her YouTube channel so that you can catch all of the progress that she's making or not making and how much I'm kicking her ass. So that's going to be it for this first video and a first look at this room. You're going to get a lot more as we go, so hopefully you really enjoy it, and I appreciate you guys so much for subscribing and following along. Thank you.